You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, originally from French. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned, we got many more videos for you. In English, it's pronounced unique. Unique. Stress on the second syllable, unique. British English and American English pronunciations are similar as unique. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.